Hi, this is Wade, Product Support Manager for the Whalen Company, and today we're going to discuss fan removal and reinstallation on the Whalen fan coil face and bypass unit. So I've already removed the fan cover by removing a screw at the top and a screw at the bottom. They are 1/4 inch nut driver. Behind the fan cover you'll find the fan. So we'll remove the one screw holding the belly band. That is a Phillips 1/4 20 by 1.5" machine bolt. Phillips drive. The fan will just slip out. You'll have, in this particular model, you'll have 2 plugs that can be unplugged, and the fan will come right out. To install the fan motor is very simple. You'll hold the motor up, you'll install the 2 Molex plugs back into it if applicable with this style motor. You'll very gently twist the motor, put it in place. Lift the motor along with the belly band. Reinstall your 1/4 20 by 1.5" bolt. Using your Phillips screwdriver or driver. Just tighten your belly band all the way up and you're done. Thanks for watching our video today, and if you have any other concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the tech support department at the Whalen Company at 443-258-2786.